Okay. So good morning, guys. So in the last session, equi-join, we discussed in the last class. Okay. And equi-join, either in ANSI format or non-ANSI format. Okay. So we said like here, it was retrieving your information. It was only matching rows was retrieved. Okay. So it means that when you use your equi-join, the retrieval matching data, it's nothing but matching rows. Okay. It means that whatever the unmatching rows are there, so those unmatching rows we are not retrieval. Okay. So we'll use unmatching data which was there in the tables, either left side or the right side. Okay. So these along with matching rows, and I wanted unmatching rows also. So that means without losing unmatching data, how to retrieval your matching. So matching plus unmatching. So whenever you wanted the both kind of information do you want to get from your tables. Okay. So there we want to use what now? Outer joins techniques we need to use. So now below write down. So outer joins. So basically outer joins. Okay, we are using guys here. Okay. So to retrieve or retrieving matching and also matching and also unmatching rows multiple tables from multiple tables. Okay. So at a time. So but we said in this it was classified into three types here. The first one we called as left outer join, and the second one we called as so right outer join, and the third one we called here full outer join. Okay. So the three joints which was classified into outer joints. Okay. Now, so let me see what it is: left, right, and full. Okay. These are the keys we called left key, right key, and full key. So your left outer join, let me come out and see. So why it was called left outer join and how the data will be retrieval here. So the left outer join, it was retrieving guys here. Matching rows, shortcutly I'm writing now. Okay. Matching rows from both the tables, and also unmatching and also unmatching rows. Okay. From left side table only. Okay. So left outer join, what it will do, matching rows it was taking from both tables, okay, left and right, but unmatching rows will take from left side table only. Okay, right. So now in this case, let me see some example here. Check out here. Is it visible? No, no. Visible? और नीचे जाकर उसको बुला के लिखो जा. అరే కనిపించట్లేదంట్రా అరవింద్ పిలువు ఒకసారి నానికి పిలువు నాని కానీ అరవింద్ నువ్వు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఒకసారి చూడు కనిపిస్తుంది కనబట్లేదా సడన్ చేంజ్ వచ్చింది లేదు ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఇలాగే ఉంది Last people. Is it okay? No. Huh? Half an hour చెప్తాను Okay guys, they requested today we need to adjust half an hour. Okay, tomorrow this problem they will solve it, but today just half an hour adjust. Okay, so the queries I'm writing on notepad. Okay, so no problem. Now it's okay. Okay na? Okay, so 1 hour class. Half an hour. अभी दिख रहा है ना रे? अरे what it intelligent यार. Same class I will take it. Now it's okay, all of you. Then we will continue. Problem is there. Then I said half an hour. No, without problem. Why you should half an hour? क्या आदमी यार? 2 दिन छुट्टी मिला ना यार, Saturday Sunday. Okay, now girls, clear na? All right. So let me continue. Okay. Right. Now you can see. Okay. So what we said in the left outer join. Okay. So it was going to be retrieval your point observed, the matching rows from both side tables. Okay. But unmatching rows will be left side. Okay. So that is what we called a left outer join. So it means that left outer join only left side unmatching rows only fetching. It means that the right side unmatching data will not fetch. Okay. So that's what. So now we can see when I come back here to check it out, we have two tables we designed, right? Mahi, problem కొంచెం చూడండి అబ్బా. అదే మరి ఒకసారి అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి చూడు ఒకసారి ఎలా కనిపిస్తుందో. ఇది మార్చడానికి ఉండదు దీనికి. ఇది మాది ఒరాకిల్. ఇది మనం ఆన్ చేస్తున్నాం. అది చూస్తే మాకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. అదే స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి అలాగే ఉంది. నేను అదే నాని చెప్పా ఏంటి ప్రాబ్లం. నాకు తెలిసి అది ఒకసారి సర్వీసింగ్ చేయాలను. అందులో ఏదో కలరింగ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, వచ్చిందా? చూడు ఒకసారి, చూడు ఒకసారి. వచ్చిందా? వచ్చింది కదా. ఇది ఓకే. డైరెక్ట్ పెట్టావా? సిస్టమ్ ఎలా వచ్చినా ఓకే బాగా ఉందిగా. మీ భలే ఉందబ్బా నువ్వు. మరి మెడ పంపింది నాకు. కాల్ చేసేస్తుందా ఆన్లైన్? మరి వాళ్ళకి తెలియదు కదా పాపం ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటో. అయినా నాకు ఇది కూడా డల్ గా అనిపిస్తుంది స్క్రీన్. ఏదో ఒకసారి నువ్వేమంటున్నావు? ఇది వస్తుంది. అది డిఫాల్ట్. ఇదే ఇంకా మాక్సిమం సైజ్. ప్రాబ్లం ఎక్కడ లేదు నాని. ఇదేంటంటే నీకు బ్లాక్ మీద ఇంకా బాగా కనిపించాలి వైట్ అనేది. ఇప్పుడు వైట్ మీద బ్లాక్ చూడు ఎల్లోయిష్ వస్తుంది. బ్లాక్ మీద నీకు వైట్ ఇంకా బాగా కనిపించాలి. నీ పెట్టు చూడు, అలా పెట్టు ఒకసారి. డైరెక్ట్ పెట్టు. చూడు బ్లాక్ మీద వైట్ ఎక్సలెంట్ కనిపిస్తుంది. అది స్క్రీన్ ప్రాబ్లం కాదు, సిస్టమ్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇప్పుడు ఇది బాగుంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు వైట్ మీద బ్లాక్ కన్నా బ్లాక్ మీద వైట్ ఇంకా రిఫ్లెక్షన్ బాగుంటుంది. మానిటర్ చేంజ్ చేస్తే Okay, for example, so now these are the two tables here. Okay, so on these two tables, oh, now I'm going to perform here left outer join. So let you see the left outer join I'm writing here. Select the star from the first table is called as what now? Student, and we are using it's a clearly left outer join key. Okay, the key also it's a clearly showing us left outer join. Okay, and now then after I just pass it here course. Okay, and 1 second, I will take alias name. Okay, then go for left outer join. Okay, and after that course and see. So now this is the join key. When I want to use your join key, it means that it was ANSI format that already we knows that. Okay, so ANSI format, how and which keyword is supported here, I said on class here. So now I'm using on class and s.cid is equals to c.cid. Okay, and now tell me here in this example, the which table I kept left side? Student. So this is left and your join key left outer and your course now it's which side? Right side. So that means it's a depends on you. Okay, which table are you passing in the left and right? Based on that only your oracle will also take it up. Okay, so now I just give it here. So it means my student table is a left side. That means a left side student table unmatching row is what now? 30. So 30 is called as a unmatching row. For example, I executed this one. Let you see guys here the 10 10 10 10. So 10 is matching with the how many times? Twice, 2 times matching. So 10 matching rows are coming from that two tables and 20 also coming from the two tables. So 10 10 20, this is called as a matching rows. But whatever the unmatching we said here, that unmatching data we are getting from what here? Student table. Why? Because my student table is in left side. So that's why left side which table you kept here, and from there you have to take your unmatching rows. But parallelly, as per this row of second table, that means right side table, automatically by default it will take what now? Null values. Okay, no? So this is when my table was a student and course was passing like this. For example, if I want to change my order, the table order I'm going to change. So now I'm going to keeping my course table in the left side and let you see the find out the output of this join, and later right side we are sending student yes, and same as your c dot okay cid is equals to s dot cid. So when I was executed, it's a carefully observed. So in this case what it was happened, so 10 10 okay is a matching row, 20 20 is also matching row, and 10 10 one more time it will be matching us. But here 40 is called as a unmatching rows. But this 40 is belongs to which table here? Course table. Yes or no? So 40.NET and 4000 is a course table, and the course table I was kept into left side. So left side unmatching is 40 and the right side by default it will take a null values. Okay, so now by seeing of these two examples, what you understand here? The left and right, how can you decide? Okay, means it's a passing order. In which order are you passing your tables in your join statement? Based on that order, your Oracle database server will decide which is left and right. So now here left side in this example, student is there. But here in this example, left side, which table? Course is there. Yes or no? So that's why in this left side student and student unmatching rows are getting from the left side table, and here left side course is there and the course unmatching data we are getting from the course table. Okay, so now understand now? So the passing order, programmer which way the table names are passing, so based on that your positions will be decided. Okay, if you pass left, left position, right, right position, whatever it is. Okay, right. So this is what now the left outer join working nature. Right down below. Okay, right. So now this is one example. Okay, any one example you can take as per your wish. Okay, so now otherwise you have to change your order also, like course here you can pass it. Okay, right. So this is we called as the ANSI format. Okay, so how we want to write your uh, outer joins. This is ANSI. So in any way you can write it here. But the same thing, left outer join, if I need to write in the non-ANSI format, okay. So how we can write non-ANSI format? Here observe. So when we want to write your outer joins in non-ANSI format, so directly we can't write here. Okay. So that's what we want to do here. Observe. So when we want to write, okay, outer joins in non-ANSI format. Okay. So then we should okay use the following join operator. So it's a special operator which will design here. Okay, we should use the following join operator is, so what's my operator here means, so open and closing, okay, brackets here and plus symbol, you should use it now. So with the help of this join operator, we need to prefix it here, okay, with your table. Okay, but how this will be using here, observe. So here I need to find out here left outer join. Okay, so left outer join, we said here the matching data from both tables, but unmatching data from left side table. Okay, so the join operator purpose is what now here? On which table you applied this operator? Okay, from that table, it was retrieval only matching rows. Okay, now, so this symbol, so carefully observe this symbol, are you applied on which table? From that table, it was retrieval only matching rows. So unmatching rows are never. Okay, so now you just decide now. I want to implement left outer join. Left outer join means unmatching rows from the left side we said. So, and this operator, what I said, this operator on which table you applied here. So from that table, it was retrieval only matchings. Now tell me, left outer join, if I want to implement into non-ANSI format, this operator I want to apply on right side table or left side table. Think. Definition, this is your definition, guys. Okay. And plus operator, what I'm saying here, on which table you applied this, from the table only matching rows will come. Unmatching rows will not come. Then this join to implementation purpose in non-ANSI, then this operator where I want to use a left side table or right side table? A right side table. Okay, simple logic. Otherwise, you can blindly remember here which outer join I'm implementing here, left. So it's a quite opposite direction, right. Left means right apply, right means left apply. So that is also blindly, shortcutly remembering purpose if you have any confusion. Okay, but when we applied this plus operator, this join operator, when we applied on a particular table, okay, what it was happened means it retrieval only matching rows. Okay, now we can see. So now I need to apply here my non-ANSI. Okay, then how we can write here? Select a star from the first student table. Yes, comma, because it is not using any key. Course C, and I have to use here where S.CID. It's a left side table, so don't apply in the left side. SID is equals to C.CID of, then what I want to apply? Join operator. So now my join operator plus symbol, I was applied on which table? Course table. So right side. So from this right side, and that means from course table, only retrieval matchings. Okay. And left side, whatever the table is there, this is retrieval complete table, matching and unmatchings. Okay, this is a complete table is coming from student, and from C only matchings. The finally your left outer join will be completed. Now we can see to execute this one. Okay, select a star from student. Okay, and yes, And first of all, don't write observed. So first technique and understand. If you understand technique, it's very easy for you. Okay. Now this is actually our ANSI format output. Can you see this is ANSI format output? Okay, now this output is ANSI. The same thing I'm going to writing here. Select a star from student yes and comma. Okay, next one is what now? Course. Course C. And the condition is what now? Where S dot CID is equals to C dot C dot. Okay, CID of plus symbol. So now what it was happening, I said, in the left side, your student table na. So student table, whatever it was there, complete matching and unmatching, both are retrieval. But this plus operator, wherever you applied course, from the course table only retrieval what now? Matchings. So finally, your left outer join will be satisfied or not, you can see. Yes. So now we can see ANSI format output, non-ANSI format output, both are same outputs, sir. So that means your left outer join in non-ANSI successfully be implemented, yes or no? Yes. Okay, right down below. Okay, this is ANSI and non-ANSI left side. The same pattern, come back here, the right outer join. Okay, so take siding, right outer. So matching rows from the both tables and also unmatching rows from right side table only. Okay, right side table only. So now here, how we can apply this ANSI or non-ANSI. So first we will go for the ANSI we will see now. Okay, so I'm writing here ANSI format. So select a star from student and I'm using your right outer keyword. So right outer join key and course C. And the condition is S dot CID is equals to C dot CID. And now tell me guys here. So now in this, okay, which table I was kept into right side? Which table? Okay, so here we are kept into course right side. Alias name missing na. Okay, fine. So now we can see in this right outer join. So whatever the matchings are there, 10, 10, 20, 20, 10, 10. So the matchings are coming from your both side tables, student table and course table. But whatever the unmatching row was there here, so this unmatching row is coming from what? Course table, and the course is my right side table of this statement. So in this statement, my course is a right side. Okay. Now, but the same thing I have to implement into non-ANSI. How to write now? Come on, non-ANSI. Select star from student S, comma, course C, where S dot CID. Can I use join operator? Yes or no? Join operator is equals to C dot CID. So then what happened from C, that means course table, all are coming out, matching and unmatching. From student only, matchings. Now let me see to execute same output now. Yes, right down below. So this is your ANSI and now this is your non-ANSI. Okay, right. Same as come to full outer joins. The full outer join. So how it was working here. So in the left side, okay, right side unmatching data missing. Right side, left side unmatching data we miss here. But you need to both. Okay, so here what it was happen to full outer join. So retrieving matching rows and also unmatching matching rows from both tables. From both the tables. So retrieving matching and unmatching rows from both tables. Okay, so in this also, if you want to write your ANSI, so now I just write like this. Select a star from the table student yes, and I want to keep my keyword, the full outer join key. I want to give it here, and later we pass course C. And after that, we send here s.cid is equals to c.cid. So this is your full outer join. And once you have to check out full outer join, so once I will go to execute it here, carefully observe. So this is my full outer join guys here. So the both the student table and course. And now we can see 10-10, 20-20 is called a matching, but 30 related unmatching is coming out from the left side. And again 10-10 matching and 40 unmatching from right side. So here both kind of data we got it here. So matching data we got it. Okay na? So whatever the matching data we got it, that's from both tables. And unmatching data also we got it from the left side and unmatching data from the right side. Okay, so full outer join means without losing any kind of row or data, complete data I can fetch, either matching or unmatching. The complete I'm going to getting now. So that is called as a full outer join. So now, okay, so full outer join, when you want to write into ANSI, it's very easy for us because we are using directly key. And now tell me how to implement a full outer join in non-ANSI format. Any idea? Both sides. Okay. So many people, they think like, sir, I have to use here both sides. Yes or no? Yes or no? But what it was happen, you can see when I'm using the both sides, your join operator, when I predict in both sides, what it was happen, you can see this. It was showing error. What it was telling error, just read. A predicate may references, okay, only one outer join table. This is the point here actually. Only one outer joined table. So only one means what now? Either student or else course. Any one only I can apply. That means I can predict, but I can't predict the symbol on two tables at a time. It's not possible. Any one table you can predict. Okay, you can apply, but not at both sides. Okay, if you apply both sides, this error is coming out. Any other logic? Just think. Left outer join, we return. Right outer join, we return. Now I wanted a full outer join. What do we want to do? Left outer we return here. Left outer came. Right outer we return. Right outer came. This two what I want to do? Add. Yes or no? Left outer join statement should be and right outer statement should be add together. Now tell me, two select queries when we need to add. Is there any concept we learn in early classes? Very good. Which one? Union. So did you remember set operators? Yes. The two select statements results are combining together with the help of union operators. Yes or no? So same here also, the two select statements. One is left outer statement, one is right outer. So these two select statements, results, whatever the results came, those results I need to combine. How we can combine means by using of set operators. So let me see. Yes, here I need to write now. So how I'm going to write in here? First you have to write your left outer. So like student S comma course C, and where S dot CID is equals to C dot CID of plus symbol. So this is which join? Left outer, right outer? Left outer. Again confusing. Left means right side. Right means this is which join? Left outer join. Okay. This query result plus plus right side. Right side query result. Right side how to write now? Come on. S dot CID of plus is equals to C dot CID. That's leave it. So here what I did here, I'm not going to do any new implementation. Left statement, right statement, combining. That's it. By using of union. So what happened, you can see finally, you got it now? Your full outer join successfully we implemented by using of non-ANSI format, right? Yes, right down below. So ANSI are already given here and non-ANSI. I think now you can on your lights here. So why are you writing like this? I affected. Okay. On your lights. The booth bangla kya ye? All right. यहाँ पर भी ऑन कर लो यार, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. वो करंट बिल वो क्या बोलते हैं, नरेश आईटी पीपल भरेगा, है नो प्रॉब्लम. यूज इट, ऑल फैसिलिटीज. राइट. Okay, right. So these are outers. So outer joins, especially when we want to use sir and where the people are using, means when you need unmatching rows along with matching rows, there only outer joins will be useful. Otherwise, no useful here. Okay, na? So that point should be remembered. The next one, write on. The non-equi join. So non-equi. So we said one thing. The equi join is retrieval data based on which operator I said? Equal operator. So only equal operator basis, your equi join is joining tables and retrieving. That was happen. But come to non-equi, it's a quite opposite. So what we did in equi, it's quite opposite reaction. So that means, write down. So retrieving data from multiple tables based on any operator, based on any operator except an equal operator. So I hope you understand this statement. Yes or no? So non-equi, when we said non-equi means we are retrieving our data from multiple tables based on any operator. But don't use which operator don't want. Okay, I don't want to use here equal, because when you are using equal, it's not comes under non-equi. So when except this operator, if you use any operators like less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, not equals to, and operator, or operator, between operators, yes or no, any operator can use, but don't touch equal. So that was what we called a non-equi join. Okay, so now, and what kind of operators means? Yes, you can use, so we can use the following operators, or now I'm giving some operators like less than, so greater than, less than or equals to, okay, so greater than or equals to, not equals to, okay, and operator, okay, so between operator, okay, etc. Okay, right. So now first some examples. First I will show you in the non-ANSI, and later we will go for ANSI. So for everyone, every join, okay, I'm showing both formats. The differences you can understand. Okay, na? Right. So next one is, I'm creating few tables, guys, here, first of all. So first we will design some tables in our tab list. So these are already having some tables. Okay, fine. And now can you see I'm creating here? Is it okay, yaar? Huh? Is it okay now? So test one. And simple table I'm taking first of all for your understanding purpose, and later we will take some big query example. Okay, now this is one table we designed here, and I'm inserting some information into this test table, test one, and sending some value 10 comma, some name was Smith. Okay, and now next one is, so 20 comma, okay, suppose Alan, some numbers I was taken. Okay, and later I will create one more table, the table number test number 2 here. So serial number integer, some salary was here, I want to take number of some size. Okay, fine. And after that I'm going to insert some records into this second table, test number 2, and sending some values. Okay, so 10 and the amount of salary 25,000. Okay, and the same to same I will take. The next one is, okay, 30 and the salary of okay, 18,000 rupees something. So finally these are the two tables I designed, guys, here. So let you come out and see your test number 1 table, and another table is called select a star from test number 2 table. So first of all, carefully find out these two tables information. So one table we have a 10, 20 serial numbers, and in second table the serial number is 10, 30. Okay, so 10, 20 and 10, 30. Suppose on these two tables of data, if you want to apply your non-equi join, okay, how I'm writing here, observe first. Select a star from test number 1, and non-ANSI I'm showing first of all. Okay, test number 1 T1, comma, test number 2 T2. Okay, then where T1 dot, okay, serial number is equals to T2 dot serial number if I was given. But if I'm giving equals to, means that this is which join? Equi join or non-equi join? equijoin because I'm using equal operator. So only matchings are coming out. So what we are saying here, don't use equal operator. Except equal operator, you can use any other operator. So now I'm using, for example, greater than T2 dot serial number. So that means in my join condition, which operator I'm using here? Greater than I'm using. So based on this greater than condition, now see how the data will be comparing. Here itself only I will tell you. So you know this is T1 table 1020 and this is T2 table 1030. Did you remember I already said to you the join will be working on based on one rule. What is the rule? A row in a table comparing with the all rows of second table. Okay. Now here this is my condition. T1 dot serial number is greater than T2 dot serial number. So now same rule I just follow. I already explained to you in my equijoin first examples. Yes or no? So now I'm comparing. So first row in T1 10. Now tell me 10 is greater than 10 because my comparison is what now? Greater than. So as per my condition here. Yes or no? 10 is greater than 10. True or false? False. So this condition will be false. Now 10 is greater than 30. True or false? False. So it's over. Then come back to the 20 next row. 20 is greater than 10. Is it true? Yes, it's a true. So true means what I said, this row will be joined. This row will be joined. And it was showing as here 10. Okay. It was showing as what now? 20 and 10. Okay. Next, 20 is greater than 30. False. Okay. That's over. Simple example I'm showing first of all. You can understand non-equijoin. Okay. Now simple na? Easy or not? Yes. So it is a small example. And now we can see I'm going to execute this one and same output is came. What is the output here? 20, 10. Okay. Now got it? 20 is greater than 10. Satisfied? Yes. So this is what we called here. Okay. So non-equijoin example. Take this. And non-ANSI. The tables I was given in the documentation. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Now see here. So this is ANSI by using of some comma and where clauses we used. But the same thing non-equi if I want to write into ANSI. How to write? So same to same guys here, just little bit change. Okay, in ANSI format. So in between these two tables, what I want to use here, just a join key. But I can't say like it is an inner, left or right. I can't mention because it's just a non-equijoin. We are not implementing left outer join. We are not implementing right outer. We are not implementing in equi. So if you implement those things, we have a specific keys and the key names I can specify here. But non-equi, there is no specific key. Okay, that's why it's simply what you want to use, join key. That's it. Okay. And suppose with this help of join key, if I use where class condition, what it was happen, you can see. Okay, some people have this kind of doubt. So now I'm using your join key in between the tables, but I'm using what? Where class. But what it was saying? What it was saying error? Missing keyword. So that means here where your problem is means where is your problem? So that means it is what? ANSI format. ANSI format supported where class? Not at all. So now that was not happened. So that's why what we want to do in place of this on. Okay. And now you can see to executing here the ANSI format non-equi join. You can see now, and you got it same output now. Yes or no? Yes. Right down below. Now we can see some big example here. Right on. Write a query to display. Okay. Employee name. Display employees. Okay. Display employees. Whose salary? Whose salary? Salary is between. Whose salary is between low salary and high salary. Okay, na? So now I want to display employees whose salary is between low and high salary. Okay, right. So first of all, I'm showing my tables and I just want. Okay, fine. So the table is not, I will take it here. Demo tables. I already sent to you demo tables. Okay, in this demo table, EMP table and DEPT and here sal grade. Okay, so this table I'm taking here. So this document already you have it. Yes or no? So table is created and come back to some information here. Okay, fine. And let me come out and see. The two tables first I'm going to showing here. First of all, select the star from EMP table. This is my EMP table information. So in this information, and you can see the columns, whatever the columns are there. So these columns, what it was now, number, name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department numbers. So we have these columns. And do you have any column like a low salary and high salary? Yes or no? No, we don't have a low salary and a high salary. But you have what? Salary column is there. So employee salaries are there here. But in this table, there is no salary related information and there is no high salary related information. So now those things are having into another table that is called as a sal grade table. And now we can see in the sal grade table, so we have here grade numbers and low salary, high salaries. So 7, 12, 12 not 1, 14, 14 not 1, 2, 2 not 1, 3, 3 not 1, 9. So these are all are called as low salaries. These are all are called as high salaries. So my question is what now? Out of these 14 employees, how many employees' salaries are in between low and high? Okay, for example, let you see. Here, one of the person's salary was 800. Okay, no? So one of the person's salary was 800. So 800, okay, between 7 to 1200. Satisfied? Huh? Yes or no? His salary was there in between 7 to 12. Satisfied now? Yes. That means, yes, this person is having like that. For example, in the next one I'm taking here, the second employee salary, 1600. 1600 is comes between 7 to 12. Yes or no? No. So it means true or false? False. Next compare. Next 12 not 1 to 1400. No, it is also false. Next compare. Okay, 1600 comes between 1400 to 2000. True or false? True. Yes, true. So that means this person also commas. So that is a point na. A row in a first table comparing with the all rows of second table. Is that no? So now as for this, now we can see I'm going to writing my query. So select, okay, what I need, suppose employee name, sal, low sal, okay, and high sal. These are the columns. Okay. Now from which table? From EMP comma sal grade table. Sal grade table. This is non-ANSI. How to write where? Where salary. Can I use a between operator? Yes or no? Yes, where salary between what I say low sal and high sal. That's come now. Yes. So I'm not using equal operator here. So I just entered this. Okay. Yeah. You got it, your information. But in this information, you can see the Smith employee salary 800 and 800 comes between 7 to 12 satisfied. Next is James. James 950. His salary comes between 7 to 12 satisfied. Next Adams 1100. 1100 comes between 7 to 12. He is also satisfied. Like a 1250, 1250 comes between 1201 to 1400 is also satisfied. So like every employee can see guys here, all are satisfied in between low and high salaries. Okay, right. But here, can you tell me whatever I was written this, okay, in my non-ANSI, whatever we written in non-ANSI, the same thing, can I write like this guys here? Okay, observe here. Okay, this is my condition, what we written in this. Okay, so, but same thing, what I'm saying here, in case of your between operator, can I write like this now? E name, sal, low sal, and high sal. Okay, and from EMP, comma, sal grade. Okay, sal grade. Okay, so where can I say like this? Sal, which is greater than or equals to low sal. Okay, end operator, sal, which is less than or equals to high sal. Can I write? Between operator, can I write like this? Yes, we can. So both way we can go to write. So now if I'm executing this condition also, okay, same output will be come to us, and to execute now same output. Okay. So this is what now non-ANSI in a between operator you can use. Otherwise you can use what now? Okay. So greater than or equals to or less than or equals to by help of AND operator. So this is non-ANSI. Suppose if I want to write in the ANSI category of non-ANSI or non-equijoin. Okay. Now, so same query, I will take any one. You can take it. So for I'm giving both sides. Okay. So now what I want to use here, I said, which key? Join key. What is your class? What your class? On class. Here also, I want to use what now? Join key, which is your class? On class. So the both are, if you go to check out here, the ANSI format non-equijoin was implemented or not. Got it? Yes. So this is one. And even though if you select and execute this one also in the non-equi, okay. So now we can execute, same output will be come to you. Okay. Right down below. So non-equijoin. Any one or two as your wish. Here not need because we are using directly column names no? And the different columns. So there is no common column. So if you want to keep, you can keep it. But there is no use here. Okay, right. This is non-equi and without using your equal operator, we can remaining you can use greater than, less than, okay, and operator, okay, between operators, any kind we can use, but except equal. So this is what non-equi guys, okay. And later remaining how many joins we left? How many? So cross, natural, self, cross, natural, self. Okay. Yes. Those three joins will continue tomorrow. Okay. Right. Yes. So thank you. Thank you so much.
I was practicing at home, then I noticed floor and